Hello and welcome back children to the Acknowledge series by Amit Publishing House. This is your book Let's Click, a trendy way to learn computers, and this is your book 3, and today we are going to do chapter 4, that is editing in MS Word 2019. So let's start with our chapter. Okay. Children, in this chapter we are going to learn how to do editing in MS Word 2019. In this chapter we are going to learn about how to select the text, move, undo or redo options, spelling and grammar, how to insert the text, copy the text, find and replace, and thesaurus. Okay, let's begin. First, let's making changes after typing the text in a document is called editing. So, what is editing? Editing is making changes in any type of document, that is called editing. You edit a document to insert text, copy text, delete, move or rectify errors. For example, if we have made any type of mistake in our document while typing, so we can do all these things. We can insert text, we can copy any text from anywhere and put it anywhere else. We can delete the unwanted text, we can move the text and rectify the errors. To perform the actions like copying, moving or deleting, we need to select the text first. So before doing all this editing work, we just need to select the text first. Okay, let's begin with selecting the text. You can select the text using the mouse or the keyboard. There are two ways of selecting the text. One way is by our mouse and the second way is by the keyboard. First, we are going to learn about selecting the text using the mouse. How can we select the text using the mouse? Okay, here are different methods given and the type of selection we are going to do. First, we are going to select a word. So, to select a word means I want to select this word mouse. For that, what I have to do? I have to double click on the word. From the right mouse pointer, right mouse button, what we have to do? I have to bring the pointer here to the mouse word, and here I have to do double click on the right mouse button. Okay. Next is selecting a line. Move the pointer to the left of the line where the cursor shape changes to the right pointing arrow. Click it. So this says when I want to select a particular line, suppose I want to select this line. I want to select this line. What we have to do? I have to bring my mouse pointer to the left of this line. This is the left of this line, and when I bring my mouse pointer here, here an arrow occurs. So after this arrow comes, what I have to do? I have to simply click it. After clicking it, this whole text will be selected. Third is how to select a paragraph. To select a paragraph, triple click anywhere on the paragraph or double click to the right of the paragraph. When the shape of the cursor changes to a right pointing arrow. So what we can do it by two ways. First one is I can triple click anywhere on the paragraph. So this is our paragraph. What I have to do? I have to simply do triple click. I have to click 3 times. Okay, and the second way says I have to double click to the left of the paragraph. So this is my paragraph and this is the left side. What I have to do? I have to do double click here. And when I will do when I have to do when this arrow comes, when this arrow will come here, then I have to do double click. After doing this, our whole paragraph will be selected. Next is entire document. How to select the entire document by using our mouse. Triple click on the top left of the document text. So on the top left corner of the document, what I have to do? I have to triple click when the shape of the cursor changes to a right pointing arrow. So I have to bring my arrow here, pointer here, and when it comes here, what I have to do? I have to do triple click. So this was how we can use our mouse to select a word, a line, a paragraph or entire document. So these were the ways. Now coming on to how to select the text using the keyboard. So there are various methods of selecting the text using the keyboard. One character to the right. So I have to select the text to the right. What I have to do? Shift plus right arrow key. I have to press shift. With that, pressing that shift key, I have to press the right arrow key also. So both I have to press at the same time. Okay. Next is one character to the left. I have to select the left side, left part. Suppose my mouse pointer is here in between the left and this the. So I have to select this word. What I have to do? I have to press shift and at the same time I have to press right arrow key, this key. There are 4 types of arrow keys on our keyboard. So I have to press these keys with shift. Okay. Next is one word to the right. Okay. One word to the right. I have to select the whole word. Here we were selecting a single character, but here we are selecting the whole word to the right and to the left. What we have to do? We have to simply press, first we have to press control, then shift and then right arrow for right side word and left arrow for left side word. These things we have to do to select our total word, this total word if it is to be selected. Next is to select the text from the current position to the beginning of the line. So my cursor is here and I want to select the text from here to here. So what can we do? This is the beginning of our line. From here to here I want to go. For this we have to select, press shift plus home button. Next is text from the current position to the end of the line. So here was my cursor and I have to select from here to here. What we have to do? Shift plus end. Means our paragraph is getting ended there or our line is getting ended there. So what I have to do? I have to press end. For going to the starting of the line, I have to press shift plus home, and for going to the end of the line, I have to press shift plus end. Next is text from the current position to the end of the paragraph. Here we are going to select the whole end of the paragraph. From here till the end of the paragraph, I have to select. What we will do? We have to press control plus shift plus down arrow. After this, how to select the text from the current position to the beginning of the paragraph. From here I have to go till the first part. What we have to do? We have to select control plus shift plus up arrow. Okay. Next is how to select the entire document using our keyboard. How to select the entire document using our keyboard. And what is the, it is the simplest way. This is control plus A. Okay. These are the shortcut keys that we should remember to select from our keyboard, and those were from our mouse. Suppose my mouse is not working, so we can use my keyboard to select these things. To the character, the word, the line or the paragraph or the entire document can be selected by using this, by using the keyboard. Okay. Next is we are going to learn about how to insert the text. How we can insert the text. For that, you can insert new text to an already existing document. Already existing means document is already made. I have made that and I want to insert some new text in that. What can we do to insert a new text? Place the cursor where you want to insert the text. Now start typing the text. It's very simple. See here you can see in your book that do, good, good is already written and you want to insert something between these two goods. So what you have to do? We have to bring our mouse pointer here in between these two goods and we have to start typing whatever we want to type. So we have written do good, get good. The existing text which is placed after the cursor will be shifted to the right side and new text will be inserted. So the existing text that was there, the cursor will come to the place where we have bought it and a new text will be inserted whenever we write something. So this is the way through which we can insert the text. So we are going to do how to move the text. For this, the cut and paste option is used and it is situated in your clipboard. This is your clipboard. From here we can choose the cut and paste option in the home tab. This is a home tab. So what we have to do for cutting or moving the text, we have to first select the text that we want to move. Okay, we have selected a text. Then click on cut option on the clipboard group on the home tab. So from here we have to go to this cut option and it is like this here. So we have to select it and after selecting it, what will happen? The text disappears from the document. So the text will vanish, it will go away from the document. Place the cursor at the location where you want to place the cut text. So after clicking on this cut option, I have to bring my mouse pointer to the place where I want to paste it. So I want to paste it here. So I brought my mouse pointer here by using the arrow key or by using my mouse. And what we have to do, click on the paste option. Here is the paste option, like this it is made. So we have to click on the paste option in the clipboard group on the home tab. And after doing all this, what will happen? The text will disappear from the original location. It will be pasted to the new location. You can also press the Ctrl X key combination to cut the selected text. So instead of doing this, instead of going to the clipboard, we can also use the shortcut key, and the shortcut key for cutting the selected text is Ctrl X, and for pasting it we use Ctrl plus V. Ctrl V is used for pasting the text. Okay, next is how to copy the text. We have in this, what will happen? The text will be at one place and it will come to another place also. We have to copy it. Okay. So you can see the text is here also and the same text is written here also. By using this command, this copying the text, what we can do? We can copy the text as many times as we want. For this, what we have to use? We have to use copy and paste command from our clipboard. This is a clipboard and from our home tab. Okay. What is the use of copying and pasting? Copying and pasting are used to duplicate the text. By this we can duplicate the text, we can copy a text from one location to another within the document and even from one document to another document. Suppose I want to copy something from this document to another document. So I can, what I can use copying the text option. This feature helps in reducing our time and efforts of typing. We have, by using this, what is the advantage? We do not have to write one thing again and again. By using this, we can simply save our time and efficiency and copy that text from one place to another place. So what is the procedure of doing this? First we have to select the text that we want to copy. Then we have to go to the copy option. Here we can see there these two types of options are there. This is our copy option in the clipboard. So we have to go on the clipboard in the home tab, and from there first we have to select the text, then we have to go on the copy option, we have to press that, and after doing that the text will be there. And after doing that, what we have to do? After copying, I have to bring my mouse pointer to the desired place where I want to paste my text. Okay. After that, I have brought my mouse pointer here. I will click here and I will go to paste option. We have to go to the paste option on the clipboard in the home tab, and we have to click on the paste option. After doing this, what will happen? The text that we selected and copied, that will be pasted to the other location. Okay, there is the shortcut key for copying the text, and the shortcut key is Ctrl+C. So Ctrl+C is for copying the text, and Ctrl+V is for pasting the cutted or copied text. After cutting or copying, we can press the Ctrl+V button so that we can paste our document or the text that we want to change. Okay, next is undo and redo options. Undo means suppose we have done some work and we do not want to make any changes. Suppose I have deleted this by mistake, and because I did it by mistake, I want it to be back there. I can use this undo option. So undo option, what does it does? MS Word keeps track of all the changes that we make in the document. So whatever changes we are making in a document, MS Word keeps track of all those things. We can easily undo the change and restore the original document. So by using this undo command, we can restore whatever we have deleted. Okay. So the undo button is this, and this is our redo button. See, you can see undo button is to the left side and redo button is to the right side. These buttons are available on the quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar. It is at the top left corner of a screen. From there, this is our undo button and this is our redo button. So we have to select these buttons to undo an action or to redo the action. The undo command is used to reverse the last action. Whatever we did, we deleted something by mistake, we can undo that by using the undo command. And while the redo command is used to reverse the effect of the undo command. Suppose I did something, I use the undo command, but I did not want that text again. So I can use this redo command to reverse the effect of the undo command. This redo command will reverse the effect of the undo command. Okay, the shortcut key for undo and redo are Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y. So Ctrl Z is for undo and Ctrl Y is for redo. So these are the shortcut keys. We can select from the quick access toolbar. Also we can do these actions by using a keyboard through these shortcut keys. Shortcut keys are very helpful for us to do a work very quickly. Okay, next is how to find and replace the text. How to find and replace the text. Find means if something is lost, we can find it, and if I want to keep anything in place of that, we use the replace option. When you are working with longer documents. I am working on a longer document. See, you can see this paragraph is so long. It can be difficult and time consuming to search for a particular word or a text in a document. Suppose I have written some word wrong and that word is many times in my document, but it will be very difficult for me to search the whole document one by one where the word is. Okay, so what we can do, word can automatically locate a specific word or text in the document. So what MS Word does, it can automatically locate that specific word or text, okay, by the find feature. This is the feature by which we can automatically locate the word, how many times it has been used, and it allows you to quickly change a specific word or text in the document using replace option. So first we are going to find it, then we have to replace the document. So by using the find and replace button, we can find the text and we can replace or put a new word in place of that word. So how we can do it? To find the word or text in a document, follow these steps. First we have to go to the home tab. From there we have to go to the editing group. So this is a home tab, and in the home tab I have to go to this editing group. This is our editing group. So here we have to go, and in the editing group I have to go on this find option. Okay, there are three options given: find, replace and select. So we have to go on this find option. So from there, after clicking on this find option, what will happen? A box will come, and from there we can see like this, a box will appear, and there we can write down the word. Type the word that you want to find in the search document box. We have to type the word. Now click on the result in the document. So after writing the word, we have to click on the result, and what will happen? The document will find that word and it will be marked with this, all this yellow. It will be highlighted. Okay, you can look at all the results by clicking on next search result and previous search result arrow in the navigation pane. So this is our navigation pane. Here we can select the next search result to the next part and to the previous search result to the previous part. We can see whatever we have searched there in the navigation pane. Okay, when you are finished, click to close the navigation pane. The highlight will disappear. So after we have searched the text, we have to close this navigation pane, and after that what will happen? The highlights, these words that are highlighted here with the yellow color, those will disappear. Now we are going to learn about how to replace the text. The find and replace commands can be combined to find a particular word or text in a document and replace it. So it's very beneficial for us. With another word, we can replace that word. So how can we do this? We have to click on where we have to go on the home tab. Then we have to go to the editing group, and from there we have to go to replace option. Okay, home tab, editing group, replace option. Okay, now what we have to do after doing all this, we have to enter the text that we want to search and replace in the find what box. So after doing this, this box comes in front of us. Here it is written find and replace. From this, here find option is given, replace is given. So in the replace box, we have to go to find what box. This is our find what box. Here we have to write down the text, and after doing that, enter the new text to replace the existing text in the replace with box. So after writing here on the another box, we have to write down the replaced word. We have to replace the word. Suppose there is a word apple, I want to replace that with a word banana. So here we are going to write apple, and in the other box we are going to write banana. So after doing this, we have to click on the replace to change individual instances, and if I want to replace many words, I have to click on replace all, and after doing this I have to continue it, and after that what will happen, in all the paragraph, in the full paragraph, if there anywhere it is apple, it will be converted to banana. Okay, so this was the method how to find a word and how to replace that word with another word. Okay, you can press the Ctrl plus F key to find the text and Ctrl plus H key to replace the text. For finding, we have to press Ctrl plus F, and for replacing the text, we have to press Ctrl plus H button. So these are the shortcut keys for finding and replacing the text. Now let's move to another part, that is spelling and grammar. So Word also gives us this feature of checking the spelling and grammar of a text. Okay, worried about making mistakes when you type? Yes, we all make mistakes when we type. So what to do? MS Word provides you with several proofing features, including the spelling and grammar tool that can help you produce error-free document. By this we can produce error-free document. For each error in your document, Word will try to offer one or more suggestions. Okay, suppose there is a mistake in my document, then Word will give us many suggestions to replace that word with that. You might have noticed that when you are typing text in Word 2019, you get red or blue wavy lines. This is our wavy line. So we get a red wavy line or a blue wavy line in a document sometimes. Under some words, the red wavy line indicates the misspelled word, means the spelling is wrong. So if the spelling is wrong in our document, it will show with a red wavy line. Any word that is not there in word dictionary is marked as misspelled. So after, suppose this word is wrong, so it will be like red wavy line. I will click on this word, I will bring my mouse pointer here, I will right click there. What will happen? A dictionary will open. Okay, a dictionary will open, and there will be many suggestions given by the computer to us, by our MS Word to us. So we can select the word from there, and if the word that we want, it is not in the dictionary, we can add that word. Okay. Okay. Next is blue wavy line. What is blue wavy line? It indicates grammatical mistakes. If while writing the text, there is some grammatical mistake, so what will happen? A blue wavy line will occur below the text. It includes misused words, also known as contextual spellings error, occur when a word is spelled correctly but used incorrectly. So in this, if there is a blue wavy line in your document, this means that there is some grammatical mistake in your document. And red wavy line tells you that the spelling is wrong. So we can correct it from there. So this is the feature of spelling and grammar, and it is very beneficial for us to. Okay. Next is to check the spelling and grammar, follow these steps. These are the steps given. How can we check the spelling and grammar? Click on the spelling and grammar option in the proofing group on the review tab. So we have to go to our review tab, and in this I have to go on the proofing and grammar. I have to go on the proofing group. Okay? And in the proofing group, I have to go on the spelling and grammar option. So this is my review tab, and here we have to select the proofing and grammar group. This is our proofing group, and in this we have to select spelling and grammar option. So after doing this, what will happen? This window will open. This is our proofing group. From here we can change the spellings. The spelling and grammar pane will appear. You can select a suggestion and click change to correct each error. So here the options are given, and from here we can select and choose whatever spelling mistakes are there in our document. So here we can see that word is highlighted also. Which one is wrong? After doing all this, what we have to do? We have to click on the OK button. Okay. Right click the underlined words of phrase. What we have to do? We have to right click the underlined word of phrase. A menu will appear, then select the correct spelling and the phrase from the list of suggestions. So another way is also given. This was through going to the proofing group. Another way is this word is wrong. What we have to do? We have to bring our mouse pointer here. We have to right click. Okay, we have to right click on the word, and after doing, what will happen? A menu will appear, and from there we can select the correct spelling for that word. Next is you can press the F7 key to check the spelling and grammar in your document. So F7 key can also be pressed. F7 is your function key, and it is on the top of the keyboard before your numeric keys. So we can press the F7 key to check the spelling or grammar in our document. So this was the way through which first way was through our by using a mouse going to the proofing group. Second way was by right clicking on the word, and third way is by pressing the F7 key. So these were the ways by which we can check the spelling or grammar of a document. Okay, next is thesaurus. What is this? Okay, this is the inbuilt dictionary of MS Word. So thesaurus is the inbuilt dictionary of the MS Word. What is the use of dictionary? Dictionary is used to look for the meaning of words. So this is the work of thesaurus. This feature provides a list of synonyms of words with similar meaning for the given words and the antonyms. We can get the opposites and the similar meaning of the words, synonyms and antonyms of the words from this. It proves to be useful by helping you improve your vocabulary and can be used to replace a word with one of its synonym. So we can replace a difficult word with its synonym by using this feature. So how to use thesaurus? Place the cursor anywhere within the word or for which you want to look for a synonym. Suppose this is a word and I want to look for the synonym of this word. I have to click on, I have to place my cursor. There I have to click on that word. Now click on the thesaurus option in the proofing group of the review tab. So again we have to go on the review tab, and from there we have to go to the proofing group. Okay, there here was our proofing, this is our proofing group, and from here we have to go to this option. So after going there, what we have to do? A list of synonyms and antonyms will appear in the thesaurus panes on the right side of the window. So this is the right side of our window. Here we can see a list of synonyms and antonyms are here for this word that we have selected. Click on the down arrow next to it and select the insert option. So here is a down arrow. We can click on it, and after doing that the word will be changed. Now click on the insert option. After clicking on the insert option, the word will come to its place and the word will be changed. Either the synonym that we have selected will come or the antonym that we have selected will come. You can press the Shift plus F7 key to use the feature. For using this feature, there is also a shortcut key, and that is Shift plus F7. So this is a very good feature through which we can find the meaning of difficult words, and we can replace those words for our readers to understand. So now next come to recall time. Making changes after typing the text in a document is called editing. What is editing? Making changes after typing the text in a document is called editing. You can edit a document to insert text, copy text, delete, move or rectify errors. So these all things we can do after editing, in editing. The cut and paste commands are used to move the text from its original location to a new location. So when we are going to a new location from its original location, what we have to use? We have to use cut and paste option. Next is the undo command is used to reverse the last action performed. So if I have done something wrong, I can use the undo command and that thing will disappear from there. So undo command is used to reverse the last action performed, while the redo command is used to reverse the effect of the undo command. So whatever work we have done with the undo command, that will be reversed by using the redo command. It will redo the action. Word provides you with several proofing features. So there are several proofing features given, including the spelling and grammar tool that can help you produce error-free documents. So by using all these features, using all these editing tools, we can edit our document very correctly and use it. Now let's come to tick the correct option. Students are required to take out your pencils. Okay. Let's begin with tick the correct option. To select the text from the current position to the end of the line. So this was my current position. To the end of the line, I have to press what key? Yes, the correct answer is, because I have to go to the end, so I will press Ctrl plus end button. So this is my first answer. Next is the copy option is present in the dash group. From where we can copy the option? Yes, we have learned it, that the correct answer is clipboard. The clipboard consists of copy, paste and cut option. Okay, the spelling and grammar tool is present on the dash tab. Where is the spelling and grammar tool present? Yes, it is present in the review tab. Next is, where is undo option present? So yes, we know it. It is present on the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar helps us to access the tools very quickly. So we keep the undo, redo, save options there on the quick access toolbar. Hope all have completed the tick the correct. Okay. Now coming on to the next question. Okay. Making changes after typing the text in a document is called. After we have typed the text and we want to make some editing, or we have to do some changes in the text, what is it called? Yes, it is called editing. So write it down, editing. Okay. Next is Ctrl plus X is the shortcut key for what? Yes, it is the shortcut key for cut option. Cut option. By X we can cut the text. Okay. Third question says the dash command is used to reverse the last action performed. I have done something wrong and I want to reverse that action. What we have to do? We have to use undo command. And to reverse the effect of undo command, what do we use? Yes, we use the redo command. Okay. Fourth question says a dash wavy line wavy underline indicates a misspelled word. Spelling is wrong. Which color line indicates that the spelling is wrong? Yes, the correct answer is red wavy line. So these were the answers for our fill-ups. Now coming on to the true and false. To select the entire document, I want to select the entire document, the full page. What we have to press? Control plus E? No, it is false. We have to press Control plus A. We have to press Control plus A. Next is the copy and paste command are used to duplicate the text. Yes, if we are copying, then we are making a duplicate copy of the text. So this is true. Next is the find option is used to locate a specific word or text in a document. Yes, with the find option we can find something, we can find that specific text or word in a document. So this is also true. Next is thesaurus provides a list of synonyms and antonyms. Yes, we have learned this also. That this feature is used to find out the synonyms and antonyms of the words, and it makes our work more easy. So this is also true. Okay. Now coming on to the question and answers. Okay. What do you mean by editing? First question says, what is the meaning of editing? So editing is making changes in an already typed or already made document. If you want to make any changes in that document, that is called editing. Okay, second question says, what is the use of copy and paste option? Copy and paste option. Copy is the document, and by paste we can paste it anywhere else. So copy and paste option is used to copy a text from one location to another location. This means the text will be at its original location. Also it will appear at some other location where we have pasted it. So this is copy and paste option. Next is, what is the difference between undo and redo command? Redo option. Yes, undo command is used to reverse an action that we have done. Reverse the work. Undo command is used to reverse the last action performed. So undo command is used to reverse the last action performed. Whatever work we have done, that can be reversed by using the undo command. And redo command is used to reverse the action done by this undo command. So what is the work of redo command? Redo command is used to reverse the action done by the undo command. So this is the difference between these two. Now next is, what is the use of spelling and grammar option? Okay, spelling and grammar option is very useful. By this, in this what happened? If suppose my spelling is wrong, the word, what will the MS word do? It will make a red wavy line below the word. This means the spelling is wrong. And if the grammar is wrong, if there is some grammatical mistake in a document, it will be a blue wavy line. So the use of spelling and grammar option is that it checks the spelling and grammar of a document. If the spelling is wrong, it will be a red wavy line, and if the grammar is wrong of the document or the text or some words or phrase, what will happen? A blue wavy line will be below that word, which helps us correctly identify the mistake, and we can correct it by using this spelling and grammar option. So students, today you have learned many new things about how to edit in MS Word 2019. So this was your class. Hope you liked today's class, and I think that you will practice regularly on your computers, on your laptops. So you are required to practice editing and find out more features that you can find in MS Word. So this was all for today. Till then, stay related for the next video. Thank you.